Okay, so testing the garage door after installing the new belt. Hopefully the tension is enough in the belt. I haven't put the cap on yet because I'm going to check if the belt goes to the gear properly. Okay, and alright.
Did it?
Yes.
Locked?
No, it's not locked, but something's going on. Can you try again?
Yeah.
Okay, I think it has something to do with the gear is pulling it, but for some reason, I'll just check the other side to see if the other side, what's going on with the other side. Okay, try again. Curious. Oh, I think I know what's happening. It's supposed to, the spring is supposed to move with the tension, but maybe it has something to do with that clip. Can you try once more?
Sure. It seems like it's out of sync. Like it thinks it's up when it's really down.
No, I don't think it's that. It's
Okay.
something to do with the, it's supposed to be able to distribute the tension, but for some reason it's, the rail is getting pulled. Okay, let me try first releasing it.
Make sure the door goes up and down.
Yeah. Maybe this trolley was not. Oh, okay. Maybe. Maybe this is not inserted in the trolley correctly. Okay, I'll have to compare it with the other one. Okay, first let me try manually opening the door and see. Yeah. So the door is able to move out. I think it has something to do with the trolley. Okay, let's see.
See what it does with the door disconnected. Is the cycle okay?
Yeah, I mean it won't move because it's disconnected.
So
Okay.
it does it.
Okay, to see if the gear
Yeah,
moves.
to see if
Okay, yeah.
I'm just thinking to see if it moves.
Okay, yeah. Try that. Oh, something happened.
Caught somewhere.
Oh, it's, yeah. It broke off a piece of the pulley, actually.
Maybe the pulley's bad.
No, the pulley is brand new. I just ordered the.
Okay. Huh.
It broke off a lip of the pulley.
You put a new pulley in before you put the belt on?
Yep, I put a new pulley in because the old one also had its lip was broken.
Huh.
So,
And it spun okay when you put it in?
yeah, it spun okay.
Huh.
It's just that the lip broke.
Hmm.
So, one thing is there's a clip over here which is supposed to let the spring distribute the load or something like that. I'll have to check the other one to see if that's okay. Okay, I'll check it out.